guys, welcome to my channel. For this video, my videographer is Mr. Lucas.
No, I'm not Mister. I'm just a boy. I'm just a boy. I'm not a big than that.
No, but you are a boy. You are boy.
Yeah, I am a boy, but I'm not. But you said I'm big. Then how am I gonna be big as that mountain?
You will become a mister.
Mr. Man. Mr. Man. Mr. Man. It's already done.
Hi guys, welcome to Ras Al Khaimah. So as you can see guys, what we are doing right now. Okay, say something, Lucas. Say something. What?
You're using a swing, bro. And there's a farm.
Lucas, who is this?
Lola?
Ah, your Lola. Your Lola is beautiful.
Lolo?
And who is this?
Lolo?
You know him? You know him?
No.
No, you don't know. Hindi ka na.
Ayun kasi speak na.
Okay, speak. Hello guys, welcome to Ras Al Khaimah. So we are at farm right now and look at what we are doing right now. We are enjoying. Riding horse. Swing.
We are enjoying this.
Is it correct, Lucas? What I said?
Tell something about what they're doing.
Okay, can you explain what we are doing? Just
Oh, okay. Lucas, explain.
talk.
You talk.
Just say hello guys. These people, they are doing like this.
Lucas, you like
Hi, Lucas.
Hello guys, these people are doing like this.
Okay, Lucas. Thank you.